Hey guys, welcome back to Rockstar World channel. So in this video we will be doing the unboxing of this only Honor 9A, which was recently launched by Honor India. Yesterday Honor India launched three devices: Honor 9A, 9S and the Honor Magic 15. So it's the time we will be reviewing the Honor 9A and check its inbox content, specifications and design and display and the custom EMUI. So let's start. So here you can check the device name is Honor 9A, ROM is 64GB, RAM is 3GB and color is Phantom Blue. So let's unseal it and quickly check its inbox content. So here we have the device itself. So at the back we have a triple rear camera setup with LED flash, and here we have fingerprint sensor, and at the bottom side we have Honor branding. And if we talk about the color is so much fascinating and alluring, and it gives device the premium look. So at the bottom side we have 3.5mm audio jack and the secondary mic and the micro USB port for charging and the speaker grill. And at the top side we have a front facing camera, and here we have speaker, and at the left side we have SIM tray, and at the top side we have the noise cancellation mic. So we will be discussing about the device later, and first we have to check the inbox content. So here we have a typical TPU cover case which is soft. So and here we have a SIM ejection tool and some paper stuff and nothing else. Here in the box we have a power brick and the micro USB cable for charging your device and some IMEI stickers. So let's quickly hands on the phone. So here you can see this is the device, and we are just going to settings, and we are in the about phone section. Device name is Honor 9A, and you can see model is MOALX9N. Indian version will be different, and here is the build number, Magic UI version 3.1.0, and it is running on the latest Android version 10.0. Here you can see, and internal storage is 54.52GB free out of 64GB, and resolution is 1600 into 720. And if we go into camera, like here we have so many options. Here you can see we have options for video, beauty, aperture, and there are many more options. Like if we go to in more section, we have a pro mode, panorama, HDR. So guys, I hope you like this video, and it's the best phone in the price segment launched by Honor. So this was the inbox content and accessories and the first impression of the device. I hope you like it. Give a subscribe to the channel and thumbs up to the video. Share this video as much as possible, by which everyone can get benefit of it. Thank you दोस्तों, goodbye, jai hind. Please take care of yourself. Goodbye.